Oh yeah, look at this baby. We got going by quick spin. What the sound is. So it's quick spin, cash truck begins. What do you mean cash truck begins? I played cash truck. I played cash truck 2. This is cash truck begins. You better be fucking better than the first two. Because I'm gonna say the first one was alright. The second one was shit. So we stopped playing it. So this is cash truck 3 in reality. So it's gotta be live up to the first one or be better than the first one. Or we actually get to be really fucking angry again at it. And quick spin will be fucking angry at you. You watch my fucking stuff. You know I am. I'm Slotz&Tingz. I've reviewed your shit before and I enjoyed every single slot. I reviewed it. But you get it, boys. Ooh, I'm back. Let's go. Oh, look at the spread. Right, so we've got a 5 real wide by. Is that a random 7? It's 7 high. So 5p7. That's random, isn't it? 20p. So we're doing 50 spins. Let's rock and roll. So what happens is, by the looks of it, we're playing 4b5, which is 20. If we get something, it unlocks as we go up. It looks like it's going to cascade. Spacebar does not work, but let's do the honest thing and check and see if this slot provider gives you the option. It fucking well does. Well done, quick spin. Well done, quick spin. Space to win. Spacebar to win. Let's go. So, I don't know how this mechanic works. I've played slots like this in the past. So now with cascades, yeah, I know how this works. We've seen it, but I can't say that you've seen it on my channel before because it's the first time it's happened on this sort of style slot on my channel because my channel got reset. So, yeah. So this is how we're rolling. They can be quite volatile, this style of slots. You just need, if you can keep unlocking stuff like this, it gets fucking mad. I've had some right events on it, and I've had some stonks where I've put like a tenner through and not won anything. So it's a good concept. I like it. Hit and miss. Very volatile. That's what quick spin does. Spin 15. 15. Why does it feel like I'm dragging you all through that? Come with me. I know a rally, right? Yeah, in medieval times. There's nothing else better to do, but I heard there's a woman from Game of Thrones, a woman from who's like a dragon's mum. So, and she's about to be dragged through the town, and we can all shout, "Shame, shame!" Doesn't it sound like that? Shame, shame. It's coming on. Spin 19. I've just, God bless me, I've got to do different stuff, and you know I have. All the bonus? No. I'm gonna spin it as fast as I can now. Spin 25, halfway through, £5 in, £4.61 down. Alright, let's carry on. Giving you the updates. That was a win. Zero consequences. Fuck all repercussions. Am I saying the right stuff? I don't know. Alright. Yes, you slag! We got a bonus. Thank fuck for something like that. A bit of action. Spin 29. Right? We've won the bonus game. Spong. Let's go. I don't know what's happening. It's doing its own thing, which is good. The spins at the bottom, look. We need stuff to land. Last chance. Oh, we've got a booster. So something on that. So we've seen shit like this in the past. It's one of these ones that just keeps coming in. I'm not a fan of these bonuses, to be honest with you. Alright, yeah. Quick spin. It also feels like a hacksaw gaming type fucking knobhead slot, doesn't it? We'll see what happens. But it's got them vibes. Alright. Zaps that. Okay. This is getting a bit more interesting. Last spin, don't do something. Come on. Yeah, we got one. We got two. We've really set. That zapper, 3 times X zapper, just keeps hitting shit. Alright. Is that 4x booster? Last chance. Something. Do it. Oh. What we got? It's a super fucking win! Super win! Mega win! £14.80. Oh, 18 spins played. I really hope I did the vocals perfect for that as well. That was spin 29. Jesus Christ. Cash truck begins. The medieval one. Fucking. Wow. Now I understand it. I understand it. It's the fucking beginning. It begins. It's the begingy. The begingy. Let's see if we can. I don't know. Maybe we get something else. If we do, we don't. But we did it on 20p and we've got another 20 spins to go. Didn't work out if space worked. Fucking space works. You know? This is the measure of the slots. If it's on fire, it will continue to be on fire. It'll give you maybe 5 to 10 dead spins, and then in the back 10 it'll do something, or it's just dead off. That's the best thing about doing 50 spins or 100 spins or putting a tenner through. I'm evolving and learning the metaphor. I see zeros and ones, slot people. Right, last 10 spins. I would have said now we're at the point where it's died off. And it's just going to roll out to 50 spins. leave us a small amount of profit. But profit's profit, and I'm fine with that. There we go. What we got here? It could go mad now. It takes a bit of a fucking ooh. Doesn't take much to fucking go Raj. Spin 48. We've got 2 more spins left after this. And the best thing about doing slots, when you stick to numbers and shit, you stick to it. Last spin. Anything? No. Okay, so we have chucked 50 spins through this at 20p, which is aka a tenner. And we're going to leave £5.65 in profit. It's small gains, but it's gains all the time. So that's what keeps making the video, guys. And yeah, I talk a lot of mad shit, and I hope you like it. So if you do like it, just, sub. It's free.